So during this drive, we're going to look at some more rural driving, things we can and can't do, talk a little bit about positioning and potential hazards. So solid white line in the middle of the road here, so we can't cross that unless we're overtaking a stationary vehicle, turning right, or a cyclist, road maintenance, or horse travelling at less than 10 miles an hour. So talking about limit points, so we're looking here at the limit point just starting to move now, so gently accelerate, keep the vehicle nice and stable. Moving out to the right hand side to open up the view, always checking mirrors first. And now we've got a great example of a limit point coming up. At the moment that limit point isn't moving, so we know the speed is too great. Now it's starting to move away, keeping to the left hand side, keeping the vehicle stable. So arrows pointing for the solid white line, so now we can't cross that. So we've got an oncoming HGV. Cars on the left have stopped, but the oncoming HGV is not giving way, so we've got to take our speed out in a straight line. See, if we'd have overcommitted there, that lorry wasn't giving us anything. So always be mindful about positioning on the offside too soon. So moving out to the right hand side, look how well it opens up the view. Looking for any clues of what's coming. We've got arrows which mean that you've got a central section, but we were okay to use that, keeping it nice and smooth, not being sharp with the steering. Got a junction on the left hand side, so we've got a van on the left hand side, so where's the driver of the van? So moving out just in case, and there he is, stood just in front of the van. So that shows the importance of moving out where we can, because for all we know that driver could have stepped out. Use of sirens there was imperative also. So staggered crossroads, looking to the right and to the left. We can't straddle because of the solid white lines. Ideally there we'd want to be in the middle of the road, but if it's solid white lines we can't be. So cyclists coming up on the left hand side. Got acknowledgement from the LGV, and off we go. Just be wary of anything behind that lorry that may not have seen what was happening and decided to pull out. So here we've got the road bending off to the right. Using the hedges as a clue, looking over the hedges where we can, see where the road's going. Can we see any large vehicles coming towards us? See a van in front of us now, so that gives us an idea where this road's going. Still using the limit points, helps us gauge the corners. Slow marks on the road, and we've got black and white chevrons. These are all warning us of hazards. More paint, more danger. So we've got a vehicle parked on the left hand side. Any clues where the driver might be? And again, looking at the van, you can see the road bends right and then left and goes up a hill. Keeping out to the right, keeping the vehicle nice and stable. Brow of the hill is now our limit point, we can't see beyond that. And now the limit point goes up onto the right, and going up the hill. So solid white line, got a lorry in front of us, chevrons, motorcyclist. And we're turning right here. Now ideally the motorcyclist would have gone, but they decided to wait. Once we know we've got acknowledgement from all parties, we then proceed with caution.